Hi, this is Gaurav from Edolio, and in this video we'll learn how to insert a new row in Excel using a quick shortcut. So the normal way to insert a row is just select a row, right click and click on insert, and Excel will add a new row. To do this quickly, we'll use the shortcut. So just select a row and use the shortcut CTRL+SHIFT+, and Excel will automatically add a new row. In case you want to add multiple new rows, just select a range of rows and again same shortcut CTRL+SHIFT+, and Excel will insert multiple new rows. For Mac users, the shortcut is the same. You have to use Command-Shift+. Now, one thing you have to make sure is whenever you are inserting rows using this shortcut, always select the entire row. So don't just select the cell and use the shortcut. If you do that, you will see another dialog box. Here you can select entire row and click on OK to achieve the same result. But the ideal way is you select the entire row from here and use the shortcut CTRL+SHIFT+. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you want to learn more about Excel, do check out our advanced Excel course, which covers everything from basic formulas, if statements, vlookup, pivot tables, dashboards, macro automation, and even Power Query automation. The link is in the description. Do check it out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more such tips and tricks in Excel. I'll see you until next time.